guys, and welcome back to our channel. This week I have been tasked with making a roast, and I have banned Sam from the kitchen. She is a control freak and she likes everything done her way. It's all got to be done a specific way. I was like, no, do you know what? This week I'm going to do it. So let's see how I get on. Do I have to? Don't come and take over. I burnt it.
I'm so hungry.
Sam's hungry. Let's get to it. So this is probably going to be about the second time I've ever cooked a roast all on my own. Sam's always here normally to help me, so yeah, let's see how it goes. I think first job's going to be potatoes, carrots, all the hard veg. That's the first job. And got to put the oven on. I forgot I needed a tray for the parsnips as well, so that's what I just put in. So as you would have guessed, we are actually in a house. We're house sitting for a few days, making advantage of being able to cook a nice roast, have a shower without having to worry about turning the water off, constant hot water and things like that. So yeah, really enjoying it, but looking forward to going back in the van, that is for sure. Got to make the most of these moments. I love golden syrup. So everything is under control now. The potatoes, the parsnip and the nut roast are in the oven. The broccoli and carrots are on the stove. So yeah, just gotta do the sprouts and we are ready to just chill and wait for it to all cook.
Hey.
What are you working on?
Our YouTube video is going to be out in the next couple of hours. I'm just doing the finishing touches.
Are you hungry, mate? Yeah? Are you hungry? Hiya. Time to check on the roast. We'll try that. Sam?
Yeah?
Do I have to peel the sprouts?
Pardon?
Do I have to peel the sprouts?
Are you not sure?
Do I have to take the skin off the sprouts?
Yeah.
Do I have to?
Yeah, I'll show you how to do it if you like.
Ah, yeah. Whiz, come and give me a hand. Let's go.
I was asleep then.
I'm cold though, aren't you?
I am cold. We need a knife. Got a knife? Okay. So, we do is we just chop the end there and just peel away. That'll do.
A bit like an onion.
Yeah, so just chop the end, little stalk off, and then peel away the bits that want to come off there. I usually half them, but you don't have to.
Thanks.
What's going on here then?
It's not actually on yet.
So, you know broccoli, you don't fill it with water.
Yeah, you boil broccoli.
Yeah, but you steam it. So you put a little bit of water at the bottom and then have a lid on it.
I've always boiled every veg. So you're telling me I've got to steam it, so I have to pour some of the water away?
On?
It was.
You've been cooking the broccoli already?
No, I haven't been cooking the broccoli. I warmed the water up because I thought it will save us time.
Okay. So I'm going to tip a bit away.
I thought I was cooking this.
You are. I just helping.
Don't come and take over.
I'm just helping.
Taking over.
Steamed broccoli is the best. That'll do. So there's a bit of water at the bottom.
Yep.
And then when you cook it, you leave the lid on, let it steam. Okay?
I'll let it steam.
About 10-15 minutes at the end.
Alright, so the nut roast has been in half hour now.
Yeah?
So I have to take that out and then...
And then we need to wait for everything to crisp up, don't we?
Yeah.
Before we do any of that veg.
Okay.
You're doing amazing.
It's the timings I struggle with. I like getting everything ready and I'm just too prepared.
You're just excited, aren't
I
you?
am, and I'm hungry. It doesn't help when you're cooking when you're hungry.
No. But yeah, those parsnips and potatoes have got a long way.
So I might have to take the nut roast out then, because it'll overcook else, won't it?
Potentially, yeah. So just leave everything in there to crisp up, get brown.
And I should put everything on the top so it browns up.
Yeah, I would, and turn the oven up a little bit more, I would.
Okay. Thanks for checking in on me.
Sorry to intervene.
It's good. Thanks for checking up on me.
But yeah, those sprouts just do that.
I'll do the oven first and then I'll do the sprouts.
Come here, my handsome. Come here. We're just cold from our walk this morning, and we're just getting warm, aren't we, baby? Mm-hmm.
Oh, are you tired and hungry too?
We're tired and cold.
Puppy.
Oh, thank you. Thanks. He wants you.
I know. Always. Always want daddy guns, yes you do.
You're like a child.
Right. So I decided to do all the sprouts because I absolutely love sprouts. Sam really enjoys sprouts as well. So let us know in the comments, do you like sprouts? Or do you not have them with a roast? We have them every time we have a roast. Oh, baby. That's looking good. Just turned it down a little bit. Time to get the veg on. She's come out to check on me again.
I'm just looking.
She's come to check on me again, make sure everything's going to plan.
So I would turn these up.
Should I let you take over now?
No.
Are you sure? Sprouts?
Don't noise.
I think it's just telling you it's on.
Okay. We sorted it all, yeah?
Yeah, also, broccoli's not salted.
This is the one thing that I think...
I was just about to go and do all that. Yeah. I was going to get all the veg on, and then I'm going to go tidy up, put it in the compost, put the rubbish away,
I'm moving.
do a few dishes.
I'm moving.
You're going back to do all our video, alright?
Yeah. See you in a bit.
See ya. The broccoli's got a bit of a crunch. I burnt it. That's why I don't steam it. That's why I'd rather boil it. You don't have to keep an eye on it so much. I forgot about Fletcher's roast. A little bit weird. We don't actually have our roast potatoes on the plate. We would rather leave them on the side, let them cool down, and then have them cold later on. So we'll have them probably about, it's 2:30 now, probably have them about 4 or 5 o'clock. It's just something nice to snack on. It's like a little treat. So yeah, we don't have them with our roast. We have them later on. Sam! Yeah. Roast!
Oh my god. It's massive.
That's what she said.
This looks so good. You did so well.
Thanks, babe.
I would give this 9 out of 10.
That's good. I'm happy with that.
The banned broccoli just takes away a point.
Master Chef, here I come.
That was delicious. However, Chris did say that around 4 or 5 o'clock we'd be eating these. I'm ready for them now. So good.
Wait, they'll be better with a film later on.
So good.
But they'll be better with a film later on. They'll be so much better.
Yummy.
Now time to wash up. Sounds right. These potatoes aren't going to last till 4 o'clock. They'll probably be gone in the next 10 minutes.